Hey YouTube, that's a quick video on something that I found, and I am 53 years old now, and I never knew something like this existed. And for all of us that have these big cans and we fill up our, lawn mowers or whatever, or anything that we need to put gas in, it's kind of a pain, and sometimes you get gas all over the place because it leaks from here or whatever. So I wondered if there was anything out there that could do this. So basically this is here's the handle right here. I'm not going to squirt it or anything because gas will come out. And it just hooks right into your gas can, and they'll give you extra sizes depending, because some of them are different sizes, so you'll get a bunch of different sizes so that it'll make sure that it fits your gas can. And there's just, it holds it right here, and there's an on and off button, and it just takes a battery. And so now you can grab the handle or whatever, and if you're, depending how far you have to go, whatever, and you stick it in and squirt, just like going to the gas station. I don't know why I never thought to look for one of these before, and they have all different kinds now. But if you're tired of, the pain in the butt of lifting the thing and spilling gas everywhere, whatever, this is a solution. So I'm going to put a link in the description where you can get this. I got it on Amazon. Like I said, there's a bunch of different ones. I just happen to like this one because I like the hose better. It's more durable. They have some that are like plasticky. I just wanted it to last for a while. Also, the hose or the handle, when you squeeze it, it will stay running. So you don't have to keep holding it, like squeezing. Then when you let it go, it'll stop the flow, and then you can just hit the power, shut it off. Anyway, it works great. Sorry, my can is so filthy, but I usually have it in the shed or whatever, but it works great. I also wash houses, and I'll take this with me to fill up the pressure washer whenever it needs fuel. And it's just simple, just fill it right up, and then, you don't even have to close this thing up. It's self-sealed. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys an easy way to fill up, gas in your motorcycle, lawnmowers, whatever. So that's all I got for you guys. If you have any questions or whatever, like I said, I'll leave a link in the description for you, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks, YouTube.